Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy KingSupreme. Back with a video today. We got EXO, White Noise plus Thunder plus Playboy plus Artificial Love. Oh my gosh, so excited for another performance by EXO. This was another performance that was highly requested. I guess, as I said, White Noise plus Thunder plus Playboy plus Artificial Love. Keep on spamming down below in the comments what I should react to next. I am fucking loving EXO these past few live performances, past few songs, everything, bro. These have been sounding godly, so good, bro. Again, they're out of this world, you know what I'm saying? They're out of this world, talent-wise. So I had to get this reaction off to y'all. Again, keep on spamming down below in the comments what I should react to next. Thank each and every one of you so much for all the support, all the comments, all the feedback. Everything means a lot to me. I just want to make y'all day better, you know what I'm saying? And give y'all entertaining content. And I'm so entertained by these performances, you know what I'm saying? That's why I begin so hyped. I don't get hyped to just anything, you know what I'm saying? If something sounds good, I'm gonna get hyped to it, and that's why I be getting so hyped to this, these performances, this music. And also, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to react to, or if you want me to, react to all the live performances first, all the performances of the multiple songs, and then I'm going to react to the individual music videos to each of those songs later. Let me know if that's a good idea. I think that's what I'm going to do, but let's get straight into this. So excited. White Noise first. Let's get this shit. Woo. Like a super 새벽 이 바다 소리에 Also, I'm gonna get to their guides soon as well. I know that I need to react to their guides as well. I'm gonna get to those soon as well. But they looking fly. To create such a dope atmosphere for the the audience, for everyone, just like the background, as you see that, like they just have a way just to create, like, as I said, such a dope atmosphere. I love it. Songs, and all I have to do is find you. Oh, wait, hit him in. All I have to do is find you. This is, you see what I'm talking about? The atmosphere? This shit is fire. I've never seen nothing like this. This is crazy. This song is fire. So effortlessly, singing, go from like singing like angels and then going straight to just spin bars on top of your head. Like, dang, bro, the talent is legendary, bro. It's bruh. Yeah, this is too good. It's just all looking at me want to shed a tear, man. What is this? White Noise? This song is fire. I love that. That song is crazy, guys.
It's where a legend was born.
Oh my gosh. That song was ridiculous. We still got, what? 3 more songs, bro? Come on, man. They can't keep doing this to us. Hey. Hey. I swear I had the subtitles on, but they just went off for some reason for a second. Let me run it back a little bit. They be getting into it, bro. Like thunder, I'm 2 blades. So much talent, bro. Liddy.
너무 멀리 가버렸나 봐. 시간이 갈수록 너와 나 멀어져.
Get it, my dogs.
저 멀리 있어. 또 누군가에게 빛이 되어 있게.
Probably becoming someone else's light. Bruh, they so, yo, they got so much swag too. These live performances have been absolutely so fucking fire. I read to like 3 or 4 of these videos, I think. So much heat. Oh, that switch up. Damn. Everything. It's the 3rd one. Such a vibe, man. bro, like I can't get over, bro. Just the amount, there's so much heat has been on my speakers lately. Like y'all have been giving me, like as I said, so many fire suggestions, so much lit music from EXO. You know, I just started reacting to them. Not even like, what was that? Was that a month ago, a few weeks ago, a month? I forget how long it was ago, bro. But it wasn't like, you know, extremely far back, and I literally become, you know, shit in love with this group, bro. You know, every single member, bro. You know, the talent on them. I know I got to get to those guys as well, bro. But just the songs by themselves, you know, the performances, everything has been spectacular, bro. And I've been just loving this journey of writing to more and more EXO music, and I'm literally not gonna stop until I get to the very last song performance. So y'all, I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop writing for y'all. I'm not gonna stop dropping videos. Never, like literally never. So that's why I keep saying this. You know, flood the comments what I should react to next, because I'm gonna get, you know, every video shit. So I just had to take a minute just to, you know what I'm saying, appreciate y'all, and just also appreciate, you know, this grouping, you know, the talent on. This part is fire. Sheesh. So versatile. Music gets stuck in my head, bro. It's just crazy. Hey. Yo, these performances, dog. Come on.
Not a millionaire.
Crypto is complicated.
Like,
You can
bro,
hand the stuff to me.
it's like perfection at this point, man.
Introducing the world's
Sheesh.
smartest fence.
Like,
Rainbow Color
I can't say anything else. Like, it's shit crazy, bro. Artificial love. Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm already loving. Alright, this sounds gonna, like, it's gonna be great.
현실적이지 않다면 없지만 이유 없이 모두 갔어 너를 갈망한 때는 나를 저기 너와의 관계 작은 내 삶은 좀 너의 향기를 왜곡된 감정과 불투명한 진행.
Bro, this song right here is mad unique, bro. I could already tell from the first. This song, it's gonna be like on some just crazy shit right here. Yeah. That beats.
Can you trust it? You got that.
Hey, this again. 4 for 4. They be going crazy.
Dude, turn it up.
Like, I don't know which one's my favorite of this one. I'm like loving this song. They be so. Hey, outstanding performance. All these songs, wonderful, amazing. What? What? Oh? Do you see them? I can't get over how smooth they be. Look at the movements. They're killing it. This is spectacular. Blindfolded too, like that's spectacular. Blindfolded. Oh my gosh, dude. They ended the performance on like, oh my gosh, that whole performance was crazy, but they ended that spectacularly as well. Thank y'all so much for letting me know to react to that. That was so damn fire. Sheesh. Dang, bro. Again, as I said, I'm probably going to react to all the performances first, however many live performances they have, and then just react to the individual videos after. Because y'all really like me, you know, reacting to the live performances, and I have no problem with doing that. So just keep on let me know what I should react to next, and I'll get to that shit ASAP. Just flood the comments, like I said, because EXO literally become one of my favorite groups. As I keep saying in these videos, like, they just don't miss on anything. This performance was literally perfect. Again, I'll give it another 10 out of 10. Just everything about it, it's just legend. It's like I'm witnessing legends, bro. It's crazy, and it's hey, I'm just loving it. I'm loving it so much. I'm always so happy when I get a chance to react to more EXO, and you know, I got another one for y'all today. Got another one for y'all next time I drop reactions. Hey, I'm gonna keep on getting this EXO content out for y'all. No problem at all for me, because I love, you know, reacting to them, because they're just so entertaining, so talented, so perfect, bro. So perfect. So everything is crazy, bro. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoyed my reaction. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Love every single one of y'all. And yeah, just hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want to see more videos. Instagram's on the bottom of the screen, also in the description. If you want to hit me up, DM me, message me, do all that shit. So keep on spamming these videos off for y'all. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. It's your boy King Supreme. We out, baby.